Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger video call effects not working on your Messenger. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window and you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window. All you have to do, you just go down here to looking for Messenger. We'll go to click here on Messenger, and it's going to take us in this next window here. You click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you just go down and you click here on storage, then you come to clear cache here, you click and you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.